2019 Nissan Titan Pro 4X, 2019 Nissan Titan Midnight Edition, 2019 Nissan Titan Diesel, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Nissan brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Nissan Navara D22, 2019 Nissan Navara D22 facelift, 2019 Nissan Navara D22 NP300, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Nissan Titan Pro 4X, 2019 Nissan Titan Midnight Edition, 2019 Nissan Titan Diesel, new cars by. Reminding, the 2019 Nissan Titan Warrior is founded on the Titan XD version. It offers a competitive exterior and 18 lightweight aluminum rims with 37 inches off-road auto tires. It comes with directed headlamps, part sills, thin aluminum particulars as well as a 4-tubing exhaust program. Its unique visual appeal reaches the original interior, covered with CO2 materials and stainless contaminants. The eye-catching exterior is spiced with distinctive broad lighting effects, and so the Warrior appearance harmful at nighttime. Its full size is far more than 6m, to ensure that Navara appears to be tiny as well as him. In addition to excellent discipline features, it features a potential approximately 1 particular ton. The actual 2019 Nissan Titan Warrior positively will not likely alter the criteria inside the class. So, right after quite a while, the second most significant Japanese motor vehicle maker lastly features a more substantial pickup really worth the focus. In assistance using the large Cummins, among the world's most popular diesel engine producers, the 2019 Titan Warrior offers a 5-liter V8 engine that grows up to 310 HP not to mention 745 Nm of torque. This is the sole engine available, no less than within the beginning. However, the offer you will likely be extended with new fuel stations at the end of the season. Really the only gearbox as being a choice is a half a dozen pace auto. It exchanges capacity to the back rims or additionally to all of several sides. While the firm reported which it failed to desire to contend with competitors like the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado as well as Ram 1500, however, its consultant being their substitute, the best merchandise mainly looked like these. In a meet with a couple of years later on, the team's chief designers acknowledged they found the critical competitor from the form of Toyota Tundra. A select-up that was without the most active industry functionality, however, it experienced confirmed top Japanese quality along with a pleasing design. Typically the price in the newest 2019 Nissan Titan Warrior will likely be close to $37,000. When we already have pointed out, you may expect the latest Nissan Titan Warrior 2019 after 2018. Thanks.